Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon face. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to be learning how to do a cartoon face. What I want you to really pay attention to here, what we're going to learn is the crosshair, and you'll see the angle in which it's down. It's kind of angling down, 3/4 view, and that will guide me and you on where the eyes, nose, and mouth will be, as well as the two ears. So I have the circle, and I have created the outline where the beard is, and working on the eyes and the nose right now. As you can see right now, it's coming into play where I'm trying to share those that rule that you should know, because that crosshair can give you wonderful areas on the angle of the head as you're looking up, looking down, looking all the way around. And as a traditional animator, we needed this primarily to make sure that the eyes are always focused in the right spot, as well as the head. So right now, we're working on the beard and just sketching this out. And that first basic shape that I laid in helped me to gear up for the shape of the beard and where it will be positioned. So those are the steps that our traditional cartoonists you will learn from a professional. And now working on the ear. There we go. And also keep in mind the overlapping action, like this ear part right there. And that one, that gives that dimension again. And working on the beard. And I gotta get that mustache in after as well. There we go. Quick action. Let's get the beard in now. And I had worked on the beard in Illustrator. I want to inking it in Illustrator, and in Photoshop I will be coloring it in using a watercolor brush and masking out the area so I get those highlights easy on there when you see the final color version again. There we go. Let's put some freckles on him and a little bit more detail on the side there with the beard. Okay. So look at his eyebrows right now, and shade them in. There we go, those speed lines. This is really much a nice sketch. You can change the structure of the head, if it's more flat or square or curve. And there we go. I think we're just about done. I just shaded in a little bit of the mustache there and give some more freckles on his nose. There we go. Well, this was a quick one, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.